Hey, welcome back to ClearSpot. A thermal drone flew over 100 million watt portfolio last week and found something contractors had missed for 2 years. 47 inverters showing signs of capacitor degradation. 12. String clusters running 15 degrees hotter than normal. Soiling concentrated in microzones that weren't on any cleaning schedule. Cost of these hidden issues if left uncorrected, 1.2 M over the next 3 years. Cost of the drone inspection, $8,000. Cost of a 2-year contractor failure to detect this, unquantifiable brand damage. Today I'm showing exactly what thermal drones see that contractors hide. Contractors perform annual inspections. They walk the rows. They check visible damage. But thermal anomalies aren't visible to the naked eye. A capacitor starting to fail doesn't show burn marks for months. A cell beginning to degrade shows as a 2 to 3 degrees temperature increase. A string losing contact shows as a 5 to 8 degrees variance. These require thermal imaging. Most contractors don't have thermal drones. They have walkie-talkies and eyeballs, so they miss problems worth millions. And they're not going to tell you about the limitations of their inspection method. You're thinking, our contractor has been managing the site for 5 years. They would have caught major issues. Would they? Thermal drones have been commercially available for 3 years. If your contractor is still using 2015 era inspection methods, they're not catching 6% of thermal problems, and they're definitely not going to admit that to you. Here's what thermal drones do that contractors don't. Scan 1, full site thermal imaging, 100 MW site imaged in 4 hours. Every inverter, every string, every combiner box, 50,000 data points. Contractors inspect 500 points per day. Advantage, drones. Scan 2, thermal signature baseline creation. Each inverter, each string now has a thermal profile. Going forward, deviations are immediately obvious. Scan 3, predictive analysis. That inverter running 8 degrees C hotter. AI predicts it will fail in 4 to 6 months. Alert contractor, schedule replacement during planned maintenance window instead of emergency repair. Scan 4, soiling pattern mapping. Contractors see dirt. Drones map soiling concentration. Instead of site is 15% soiled, useless, drones show zone 3 is 20% soiled, zone 7 is 8% soiled, zones 1 to 2 are 10% soiled. This enables precision cleaning. Scan 5, trend detection. Monthly drone flights show degradation trends. Is that hot inverter getting hotter? Is soiling accelerating in one zone? Early detection prevents catastrophic failures. We've covered what thermal drones see that contractors miss and why contractors avoid using them. Your contractor is probably missing 1M plus in hidden thermal issues right now. Not intentionally, just because they don't have the tools. But those hidden issues are degrading your site every month. Schedule a free thermal drone baseline inspection. We'll fly your portfolio, create a complete thermal signature baseline, and show you every hidden inverter, string, and soiling issue. For 100 MW sites, this typically reveals 500K 1.5 MES in hidden problems requiring attention. Then you have data. Contractors can't ignore drone evidence. Book your baseline. First 30 operators get a priority maintenance roadmap based on drone findings. Like, share, and subscribe for more solar insights. ClearSpot, smart device, smarter decisions.